What's up, guys? It's your boy Calvin, Trade Voltage. I'm here to take you through the analysis I dropped earlier on yesterday about the gold setup, my entry, my exit, what actually happened in the market, everything. I'm here to drop it and take you guys through exactly what happened. Now let's open to the chart. As we do it, we do it from the top to the bottom. So I had to take you guys through exactly why I took my trade. I did that not long ago. It's in the video up here, so check it out. I'm just going to brush through exactly what happened. This is the weekly time frame. We came on there. We initially went to the monthly time frame, which I'm not going to go back. The full video is up here in the link. So this is the weekly time frame. We came here to spot demand zones where the market is likely to go, and then on the daily we looked at the possible move of the market, and the idea was that we wait for the market. Okay, unless we go on the lower time frame. Let me go on the lower time frame, the 4 hour, to tell you guys exactly why I made that entry. Okay, so this was our plan: for the market to break this low right here on the 1 hour time frame, wait for a reversal, a pullback, and then we hopping into an entry for the big sales. And that is almost exactly what we did, because the market actually messed me up a bit before I got an entry. Okay, so this was the trade plan. Okay, so I was waiting for an hour candle body close below this level. Let me take it right there. Here, right here. Yes, the candle body close. We got that candle body close on the 1 hour time frame. I expected the market to come here for that little supply zone here, or let's say point of interest for the market to go down, and I was severely wiped out. I was severely wiped out of the trade. As you can see right here, came to this level for the retest before the big drop. Now, because I had that loss over here, when the market came here, I could have still entered for some sales after this pullback, but I was contemplating if it was going to go back again. Fear of missing out. I didn't hop in, and then I got an entry in the 1 minute. So funny, I got an entry in the 1 minute time frame. I didn't mark it out here. I'll drop it in the course of the video. I'll show it. We were floating about, okay, I think this was that level. This is it. On the 1 minute time frame, I got an entry here. I entered exactly at this level. The market went up to this level, came like that. I was thinking it was going to head straight here. My TP was at exactly $4,470.44 per ounce. Then the market decided just to spike up like that. Luckily for me, I took out some profits, and then everything went out just like that. So even though I was able to catch some profits, it didn't really go as I expected it to go. And it's all part of it. It's all part of this game. It's all part of it. Our analysis still maintains, it still stands. Our interest was for the market to close below this level and then our second TP was here, a retest, and a continuation onto this level. So this sell still holds. I'm still interested in the sells. I'm waiting for Thursday. I'm down for today. I'm waiting for Thursday, so I get an entry, or probably if I close this, I'm still going to look for an entry, or better still, let me see if I can get an entry here, get some levels for entry over here. If not, I'm still going to wait. I'm still going to cross my fingers to find an entry. I'm still going to cross my fingers to find an entry somewhere around this level. Yes, I think the 1 minute, this level was a level of interest here. Okay, this level right here, the point of interest that the market has already tapped in. The market has already tapped into this point of interest. Yeah, it has already tapped into this point of interest. Let me see that on the 5 minute time frame. All right, the market has already tapped in. So now this is a new lower high, new lower high for a lower low here. Remember, my analysis entails top-down analysis, smart money concepts, and market structure itself. That's why you hear me talk about lower lows and lower highs. I consider it a lot. Yeah, so the market made a lower low here for a lower high into this point of interest, came all the way here to make a lower low. Now, if there should be an entry around this level, my stop loss will be all the way above this level right here. But let me see how it goes. If I can spot some entries right here. Let me see the 15-minute time frame. Now this is our new lower high, so any entry I make, my stop loss is going to be above that level. My stop loss is definitely going to be about that level. Lower high. And this is my lower low right here. Lower low right here. Right. Looking for another lower high. Looking for another lower high. The market is not really giving me any opportunity for me to hop in. And if I say I'm entering from this level and my stop loss is going to be above here, that's 243 pips to my stop loss. That would be a wild one. My stop loss ranges between 50 to 100, and I'm not going to break my rule for this. So yeah, if I spot anything nice, I'll drop it. Yeah, so that's all for today. our analysis went through successfully. Yeah, and that's the most important thing for today. Peace out.